opening of Panjim Gymkhana Members League.
Today we are starting Panjim Gymkhana Members League. This is for the first time in the history of Panjim Gymkhana we are having this kind of a league. And if you can see the atmosphere around over here, it is fantastic, festive atmosphere. Teams are participating in full colors and there is a huge fan support which is expected. This is the first time on the picturesque ground of Panjim Gymkhana this tournament of this magnitude has been held. There are lots of prizes for the teams. The owners are excited who have bid for these teams and got them. The players are excited. And mind you, there are players who are state players as well as some senior veterans who are 50, 55 years old. They are also playing. So our families are excited. So there is a cricketing carnival which is going to happen over here for the 4 weekends, every Saturday, Sunday of January. So I appeal to the people of Goa, please come and see this because we want Goa to support cricket. Because what will happen is from here, the youngsters will be coming. This will be the budding ground for youngsters and I'm sure we will be able to get the best of cricketers coming out from this ground starting with this tournament. Thank you.
How many teams are participating?
There are 5 teams who are participating over here who have bid and got this, and each team has got approximately about 22 players in their kitty whom they will be rolling and playing. It's a round robin tournament which will be held with the top 4 teams getting into the qualifiers and eliminators and all these things. The final will be on the 30th of January.
Who's playing?
Today the first match is being played by LPK 11 versus Prescon Panthers.
Who was the guest today?
What we have done is we want to invite all the veteran cricketers and senior members of Goa, of Panjim Gymkhana as well as cricketers of Goa for this important thing. So today we had an inaugural toss which was done by Mr. Anil Angle. Mr. Anil Angle is a very veteran senior person, member of Panjim Gymkhana, ex-cricketer, and these are the people who had started doing up the pitches and these grounds and all that. So it is a time for us to show our respect to all these people. So every match, there are going to be 4 matches every weekend. Every match, the toss as well as the man of the match will be presented by these veterans who have done good for the cricket as well as for Panjim Gymkhana.
What is the format for this match?
It's a round robin format. So each team will be playing all the teams against each other.
So I must again compliment Panjim Gymkhana, particularly its president Manoj Kakulo and secretary Rajesh Kaute for doing such a wonderful job. You see the kind of atmosphere that they've built. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. All the owners are here, or most of the owners are here. And I think all of us believe in fair play and having a lot of fun. Of course, we are going to compete very seriously. It's going to be serious cricket apart from all the fun. It was great to see some of these stalwarts like Anil Angle and Suresh Mahadevan and all coming here to encourage the young players. I think, Panjim Gymkhana has got a rebirth. And as my friend Nandan says, this is all a tribute to the first Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Babusaheb Bandodkar, the late Babusaheb Bandodkar, who had such a passion to build a cricket ground like this. And the new committee has now made this into a reality. So looking forward to this tournament. I think all of us together are going to assure a great game to the people of Panji and Goa at large.
A very enlightening atmosphere here. The arrangements are really beyond our imagination, and there's a lot of volunteers here. The arrangements have been made to the fullest, and any player who's playing here would be really happy to have this members league being a part of a members league. I have a match right now. We are playing the inaugural match. This is Prescon versus LPK. I wish LPK good luck and all the other teams also good luck, and I look forward that all will play in a most sporting spirit, and I wish all the teams best luck and the organizers also best of luck. Thank you so much.
The ambience on the ground is amazing. I think the energy is superb. We are wishing all the teams the best, and especially LPK and Prescon which are starting the tournament, and next is us, so all the very best everyone, and thank you very much.
2 beautiful things. One, blessings of our late Chief Minister Babusaheb Bandodkar, whose efforts was the foundation stone of Panjim Gymkhana. The second is Kampan Ganesh, very close by, who's always blessed this beautiful place. Extraordinary effort by the President secretary, members of Panjim Gymkhana, my friend Manoj Kakulo and his gang of people who have created one of the most
We
outstanding
have both the
features
teams extra men here besides us. So
in the state of
they
Goa.
can get us
Let me not
names
talk
and,
more. It's a beautiful game.
The identity.
Let the best win and let us all enjoy. My request to all people in and around Panjim, please come, enjoy this beautiful game of cricket. Finally, it is we go on to play and we who go on to enjoy. Namaskar.
Here and it's everything. The ground looks super. The effort by the committee and the club is commendable. Look forward to a lot of fun and some exciting cricket.
Feeling great, ecstatic I would say. We decided to partner Panjim Gymkhana for this league because we thought a tournament like this from a premier club of Panjim, which has heritage in cricket, is an excellent initiative and needs to be supported. So we are delighted to be here and the kind of euphoria that you see, kind of funfair that you see, I think it's something which is very different and has not happened before in Goa, and I compliment the management of Panjim Gymkhana for organizing this in such a meticulous way, and it will go a long way in building.
Very interesting is that Gymkhana प्लेयरांक कितें लागून तरी केला आनी आयचे जो पळोवंक अशी आयचो एन्थुजियाजम म्हाका दिसता दीस वील गो ऑन फॉर अ लॉंग एंड आज 5 टिमी आसतात मे बी नेक्स्ट इयर इट वील बी 6 जस्ट लायक IPL कशें पयलीं 6 टिमी मागीर 8 जाल्यो मागीर 10 जाल्यो तशें तर इंट्रस्ट तर वाडत वचत आनी मेंबर्स आसा पेंजीम गymkhana मेंबर्स आसात आनी थोडे नवे मेंबर्स जावंक शकतात हांगा अशें न्ही गुड थिंग दॅट दे हॅव डन इट